This is Shi Zhe Ting for video 2. I'm going to show you the first enemy, which is the alien. Start the game. This would be the alien. It will drop in groups. And what you do is when you shoot at it, see how it travels. Gets hit. The reason why is because when the rocket shoots out, the collision explosion starts from the right and everything. So as you can see, so the alien will travel in a specific design pattern. And I'll show you my UML. So for the alien, we have the animation strategy that consists of the animation strategy in the function animate. And within it, the animation strategy consists of the animation flying and the animation exploding. That is my UML.